Good morning, class 8. Today we are going to do chapter 11, that is simple and compound interest. Exercise 11.1. So before starting, first some terms we have to know that P. What is the meaning of P? P means the principal amount. Principal amount meaning principal amount. Suppose we are keeping some amount to the bank. So the amount we are keeping to the bank or we are saving to the bank, that amount is known as the principal amount. If we want to deposit 5,000 rupee to a bank, particular bank, then that 5,000 rupees will be the principal amount. Now interest, now we know that what is the meaning of interest. Depending on how much rupees we are depositing to a bank, on that we get some amount of interest. Okay, so that is known as I. T is the time, means for how many years we are saving the amount. Rate of interest equals to R, and PA is called per annum, means per year. Per annum means per annum means per year. Now there are some formula. The basic formula is I equals to P RT by 100. I is interest rate of the interest. P is the principal amount, R is the rate of interest, T is the time, divided by 100. And from this formula we get this three formula. What is the value of P? How we can calculate it? It is equals to 100 into interest divided by time into R. T or time is equals to 100 into interest divided by rate of interest into P or principal, and rate of interest equals to 100 into interest divided by time into principal. Now come to basic thing, that is the how you have to solve the problem. Question number 1, find the simple interest when 1. Question number 1 I have solved here. Principal amount is rupees 8,600. T or time equals to 2 years, and rate of interest equals to 8% per annum. Okay, now so we know the formula of interest, that is PRT divided by 100. So I equals to PRT divided by 100. So just put the value of P, that is 8,600 into T into R. Okay, then after calculation we are getting that the simple interest will be 1,376. Now come to question number 2. What is given here? In 4 years time, how much will rupees 3650 amount to at 6% per annum rate of interest? How much it will be amount to means when a person is keeping this amount of rupees to a bank for 4 years and at the interest rate of 6% per annum, then after 4 years total how much he or she will get. Okay, so here we need to first find out the interest, and then with that interest we have to add the principal amount, that means how much we saved. Okay, so here what are the data given? Time equals to 4 years, principal equals to rupees 3,650, and rate of interest is given, that is 6% per annum. Now see the formula we have written. I equals to PRT divided by 100. Okay, I equals to PRT divided by 100. So in place of P, R and T we put the value of this. And by calculating we are getting that interest equals to 876. Okay, so what is the total amount? That is the principal amount and the interest amount. So it will be equals to 3650 plus the interest. So it will be total 4,526. Next come to question number 6. What is given? Which will produce more money as interest? That is given. Two condition. 1, rupees 7,000 lent for 6 years at 8% per annum rate, or rupees 8,000 lent for 5 years at 7% per annum rate. By how much? Okay, which will be greater interest and by how much? So Take the first condition. What is given? P equals to rupees 7,000. T is 6 years and rate of interest is 8,000 per annum. So put the value of PRT by 100. Take the formula of I, put the value of this, and then after calculation here we are getting that the amount or interest will be rupees 3,360. And in the second condition this data are given that principal is 8,000 rupees, time is 5 years and rate of interest is 7% per annum. Okay, so interest formula we have to put. Then after putting the value of PRT we are getting that it is equals to 2,800. So here the amount is 2,800. So which one is greater as interest? That is this one, the first condition. So in first condition amount is more, and by how much? Just do the subtraction, this minus this. So the answer will be rupees 560. So by 560 the interest will be greater in the first condition. Thank you class. Try to solve the rest of the problem. Thank you.